Hello students, today we are going to learn about again the one more problem on the linear differential equation. Okay. Now let us solve the problem from the Nirali publication book. 1 plus y square dx is equal to tan inverse of y minus x dy. Now what is the first step? First step is the put the equation in the standard form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here I had the extra 1 plus y square with the dx, therefore dividing 1 plus y square throughout the equation. Therefore dx is equal to tan inverse of y minus x upon 1 plus y square dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, here I had take the inverse, okay. Dy by dx, here I take the inverse. Dy by dx is equal to, here I take the inverse, therefore 1 plus y square upon tan inverse of y minus x. Therefore dx by dy is equal to tan inverse of y minus x upon 1 plus y square. Again I had inverted it. Okay, I have to put the equation in the p plus q, dx by dy plus px is equal to q form. Therefore I had inverted it. Okay, therefore dx upon dy is equal to tan inverse of y upon 1 plus y square minus x upon 1 plus y square. Therefore dx by dy plus x into 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse of y upon 1 plus y square. In this equation is linear in x. Okay, therefore comparing with the dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here this formula becomes the different because this equation is linear in x. Okay, this x term and this x term is there. Therefore dx by dy and plus px is equal to q. Applying this formula, we will get the value of the p, and therefore integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of p dy, which is equal to integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square dy, e raised to integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square dy. Now after solving this by applying the formula 1 upon 1 plus a square plus x square is equal to tan inverse of x upon a. By applying this formula, we will get integrating factor is equal to e raised to tan inverse of y. Okay. Now the general solution is given by, general solution standard formula is x into e raised to integration of p dy, which is equal to integration of q into e raised to integration of py plus integration of py. If you do not write the c, then also it is okay. After solving the integration, then only write the constant. Therefore x into e raised to tan inverse of y is equal to integration of tan inverse of y upon 1 plus y square into e raised to tan inverse of y dy. Now consider I is equal to integration of tan inverse of y upon 1 plus y square into e raised to tan inverse of y dy plus c. Now consider this integrating part only. Okay. Now put here the integration by substitution. Tan inverse of y, put tan inverse of y is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to y. Therefore 1 upon y. What is the formula for tan inverse? Differentiation of tan inverse of y is 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to dt. Therefore after substituting, we will get I is equal to t into e raised to t into dt. Here the integration by substitution is used. Okay, this is the simple algebraic function and this is the exponential function there, and here the multiplication of two terms. Okay, means u into v formula we have to apply it. And what is the u and what is the v? Here the I let formula is there. Okay, I for implicit, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric and E for exponential. Here the algebraic function is there. We have to take the algebraic function first as a u term, and the exponential e raised to means exponential function. We have to take v as the exponential function. Therefore v is equal to e raised to t. Now applying the u into v formula, that is integration of u into v dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx integration of v dx dx. Okay, u is equal to t and v is equal to e raised to t. Therefore, after applying the u into v formula, which is equal to t into integration of e of t e raised to t dt minus integration of d by dt of t into integration of e raised to t dt dt. Okay, what is the integration of e raised to t? E raised to t is the e raised to t. T into e raised to t minus integration of e raised to t. Therefore, t into e raised to t minus e raised to t. Now here put again t is equal to tan inverse of y. Therefore, I is equal to tan inverse of y into e raised to tan inverse of y minus e raised to tan inverse of y. Now the general solution is given by, general solution is x into e raised to tan inverse of y. Now considering this equation and substituting, we had get the solution for the integrating part, which is the difficult part. Now again substitute this value in the given GS formula. Okay, x into e raised to tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of y into e raised to tan inverse of y minus e raised to tan inverse of y plus c. Okay, therefore x is equal to, divide the whole equation with the tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of y into e raised to of tan inverse of y into e raised to tan inverse of y minus e raised to tan inverse of y upon e raised to tan inverse of y plus c into tan inverse of y. Now e raised to tan inverse y and e raised to tan inverse y, this get cancelled. Again e raised to tan inverse y and e raised to tan inverse y, this again get cancelled. Therefore, after cancelling the common term or dividing, we will get the answer, that is x is equal to tan inverse of y minus 1 plus c into tan inverse of y. This is our final general solution. Okay. Thank you students. If you like my videos, then please like and subscribe my channel and keep practicing.